began with peaceful demonstrations, unarmed monks staging sit-downs in the Tibetan capital Lhasa early last week. We believe they were marking the 49th anniversary of the uprising against China. Something sparks off a confrontation. These pictures were shot by security forces in Lhasa, obtained by the BBC. They haven't been seen before. They were filmed over March 10th and 11th. This may be the confrontation that led, 2 days later, to the worst violence here in 2 decades. Look closely. Older monks try to calm the situation, but it doesn't work. Rocks and sticks begin to fly. And these are the latest pictures. Lhasa is a city under military control. Journalists have been ordered out. The arrests have begun. It seems unthinkable that the Olympic torch is expected to pass through here just weeks from now. From India, the Dalai Lama called on the world to find out what is going on in Tibet, and he said he would meet with China's top leaders.
As I mentioned earlier, some concrete sort of indication come there. Really feel now, really is the time come to go there. I'm ready.
At first glance, the present unrest in Tibet seems to have simple enough beginnings, but its roots lie deep. Despite more than 50 years of direct Chinese control, China still hasn't won the respect of many ordinary Tibetans. And here in Beijing, there's no acceptance that China is in any way to blame. Quentin Somerville, BBC News, Beijing.